Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day today. Today, are you ready to try some excruciatingly expensive skincare with me? It's a Saturday morning, I have a little bit more time available to me to do this in a leisurely fashion, so rather than just showing you the product and telling you how much it cost, I thought we'd do a little quick get ready with me. We're not going to spend too much time on it, but what we are going to do is we're going to get into the how, what, why, when. I'm going to share with you some extra bits and pieces as well. I have leveled up on my Dior beauty rewards thing. I'm fresh out of the shower, wet hair and everything, so it is time to pop the hair up, and then I'll show you what I got and why I got it. Yes, we'll go through everything. Hair is up, time to deploy the bunny ears. We have a bag here from Dior. We do. It is beautifully laid out. I don't know what perfume it is, but the lady in the Dior counter sprayed this tissue paper with perfume. I think it was J'adore, and I'm not a big fan of J'adore at all. So, and here are my goodies. So, I did say this was an expensive product. John Lewis was having a 15% off beauty promotion, and this was actually in it. And I thought, I've been looking at this product for months. 15% off, thought, that's a hefty chunk of change. Let's go for it, let's try it. This is the Silver Beauty Rewards welcome thing. Suffice to say, this purchase has bumped me up to gold, so next time I go in, I'll be getting my gold gift. It is this, comes with instructions. It is this slide out Dior drawer. Say that after a couple of martinis, and it has got these little products in it. How cute is that? We have got a lipstick, a miniature lipstick, and this is going to be in their signature 999, and it looks like this is quite a glossy one. I've got about 3 of these now. I've got like a matte finish one, a velvet finish one, a satin finish one, but these are really handy. It's a great shade for that real pop, that classic pop of red, but they're really handy for the teeny tiny mini bag, the DBE. We have got a tiny little Miss Dior Eau de Parfum with a very cute little glittery bow on it, and we also have a Capture Total super potent serum, which I haven't tried, which I'm now terrified of trying. For the husband, we bought this Sauvage. This is the aftershave balm. He tried one on in store and he really loved it. On the back of his hand, he absolutely loved it. And Sauvage is his favourite fragrance. So we thought we'd give it a go. This is the this is the aftershave balm. The other thing that we were looking at was the face and beard moisturiser. The lady on the counter said they're pretty much the same formula, but this has got an added kind of calming, cooling aftershave agent added. So really excited for the hubby to get into this, because as you know, he ain't all into that luxury lifestyle, and I kind of want him to be, because, you know, I just do. And because we got that, the lovely lady on the counter gave us some Sauvage testers as well. We've got the Eau de Toilette, we've got the Eau de Parfum, the Parfum that I get him. I normally go for the strongest, most intense flavour. Now this is the Elixir. This is the new one, and I nearly bought him this for Christmas. But I'm very glad that we've got this. It is. We tried it in store. It is super strong. It is yummy. I love it. Sauvage is his favourite fragrance. It is my favourite fragrance on him. So everyone's happy. I was given the Dior Addict. This is the new flavours. Little lippies to try. Isn't that cute? I've got, oh, that one looks a bit sparkly. 525 Chérie. So we've got Dior B, Dior 8, 100 Nude Look, 720 Icon, and 525 Chérie. And here it is. I said it wasn't going to be a long video, but we're already here. This is the product Oh gosh, that I spent so much cash on. This is the Dior Prestige Le Micro-Caviar de Rose. This is an intense regeneration micro-nutritive concentrate. This is on the website under the serums section on the Dior website. I will have it linked down below. And what happened was I had bought some things on the Dior website, nothing like that, lipsticks, that stuff, and I got to try some testers, and I got this little bubble pack, this little, looks like a little spacecraft, this little bubble pack of the Le Micro-Caviar de Rose. I didn't open this for ages because I looked it up, because I was like, what the heck is this? I looked it up on the website and I saw how much it was, and I thought, nope. No, I am not trying this because I do not want to fall in love with it and therefore feel compelled to buy it. I held off, I tried it, I fell in love with it, I eked this out for as long as I possibly could, and then it got to the point. Now this retails in the UK for £320, I know, ouchie. This is 75 millilitres. It's got on here net weight 2.6 ounces, 75 millilitres. The ultimate micronutritive concentrate, Le Micro-Caviar de Rose, acts as an intense recovery elixir for the skin. Soothed and intensely revitalised, the skin appears renewed. Now that's a lot of blather and that is a lot of claim. I didn't want to believe any of it, but I tried it and it seemed to. So this is the packaging. It's in this gold box with the Dior Prestige with the CD. Now because this is a serum, what I've been doing is I have instruction manual there. Excellent, need that. I have been using it before putting on moisturiser. We're opening this together for the very first time. Gosh, look at that. Oh, isn't that a thing of beauty? And there's something in the bottom here as well. There's a little thing in the bottom. Let's see what that is. Because I have a feeling that this comes with an accessory. It does. It comes with a little teeny tiny spoon. This is the way to scoop it up. It was not easy to scoop out of here with fingertips, so very grateful to have this spoon. How bloomin' bougie is that? I'm going to try that in a second, but my skin is thirsty. It needs some action. So this is the get ready with me part. This is what I use every day. This is my advanced Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye. This stuff is super creamy and I have mentioned it before. You do not need much, and just pat it in around the eye socket. And that is the first thing I do, and then I follow up with the Advanced Night Repair, just normal skin serum. Now I could be doubling up a little bit here, but I use this twice a day. I use both of these products twice a day. So this is my base. And I'm also using this Dior, this is the Cooling Hydration Sorbet Eye Gel. This is really, really lovely. I would like to have like a little mini fridge to keep this in. And I bought Autumn Beckman one of these for Christmas because she works hard, that girl. And then you use this to smooth. Oh, it's so cooling and so lovely. That's why I want to keep it in the fridge. Autumn said when she's at work and after she's put this on and she catches a little breeze in the corridors and her eyes feel fresh and crisp and cooled, that's the moment that she thinks of me. Isn't that lovely? Right now we're going to go in, we're going to crack open this bad boy. Now, you really don't need a lot of this, as I discovered. The first time I tried it on, I think I probably put about a quarter of that little tubby on. Oh my god, look at that. It is really like, can you see it? Can you see it wobble? It feels very different doing this with the product that you've purchased versus a little freebie. I've not seen it come up as a freebie again since. So you really don't need much. So I've just got a tiny little, can you even see? Can you even see how much is on that spoon? Now, this is the first time I've used the spoon, so I don't know what I'm doing. Is that just to measure it? It is like caviar, which I don't actually like caviar. I find it quite tasteless and hideous. But let me know in the comment section down below. Right, you saw how little I put on, and it does feel weird because it feels like little balls. Oh, but then they burst. And I don't know what they've got. Oils in. I'll have everything. Oh my god. That is ridiculous. That is so ridiculous. Now, I know expensive skincare can be quite divisive because you can buy really good sort of cheap and cheerful skincare as well. What I've found is when I've bought cheaper stuff, I've had to use so much more of it to achieve the same results. This is just ridiculous. Can you see, just from that tiny amount, just how incredibly moisturised my skin is? That is ridiculous. That is utterly ridiculous. Ridiculous. Absolutely. I cannot tell you how ridiculous. Right, why won't you go on? Why won't you line up properly? There we go. Holy guacamole, people. 75ml. Now, obviously, it's a big jar. I've got sticky fingerprints all over it already. It's a big jar, but you can see that it's quite a thick jar and that the product just sits in there. But I think, value for money, the fact that you only have to put, I probably put too much on there, tiniest of scoops to do your whole face. I'm convinced it's worth it. After using this and seeing how it feels, it's just amazing. It is a serum, so I am supposed to be putting moisturiser over the top of it. I'm going into my Lancome Hydrozen anti-stress cream gel because things are heating up here a little bit in the UK. They're not really, but we've had a few nice days, and in the UK, when we have nice days, everyone gets their shorts out. There it is, that's the cream gel. It is just very, very light, it's cooling. This is something that I would like to keep in a, oh gosh, that feels good. Keep in a teeny tiny fridge as well. Just pop a couple of little dabs on. What do you gorgeous people of the interwebs use for your skincare? Do you have luxury favourites? Do you mix and match? Do you buy everything all from the same line? Are you like a die-hard Estee Lauder girl or Lancome girl? And I pick those names because those are the products I'm using as well. Or are you a Dior, Chanel? I feel like the Queen of Sheba with a little spoon for my caviar pearls to burst into gloriousness with oils and stuff. Look how smudged and everything. Gorgeous skincare and feeling fresh and beautiful and lovely is a real luxury. So this was £320 with the 15% off at John Lewis promotion. It came to £272.50 or thereabouts, 272, which is still a massive chunk of change, but 50 quid off. I mean, I love it. I didn't want to love it because who wants to fall in love with a product that's going to cost you 320 quid and that's going to be used up. But I do love it, and here I am. I have moved into this arena. Let me know what you thought of this video. Was it helpful? Have you tried this? Have you had this little tester blister pack from any of your Dior purchases? Let me know in the comment section down below. And I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please show it the thumbs up love, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay hydrated and moisturised, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye!